Hello everyone, this is Kelly from Changzhou Zhongtuo roll forming machinery, and today I will introduce our Australia type rolling shutter door machine. And this machine is we will use exported to the Saudi Arabia. So this machine you can see we have a very good design, and the process for the machine is from the recoiler, the feeding part, main roll forming and sharing, the receiving table. This is the whole part and for the machines. And first for the decoiler, you can see we use a manual decoiler. Also we can have the hydraulic one for your selection. And here, this the feeding part, we use the two rollers this side and the other two this side to leveling the material won't scratch. Instead, we have the bearing inside the rollers. This will to make sure won't scratch the surface of the coil. And this is a very good design. Also, you can see here, we have a wheel, and in this side and the other side, the wheel can adjust the width for the coils. If you use the different coils, you can use here to adjust it. Very convenient and strong design, very user friendly. Also here we set a manual cutting. If you don't want to produce for the machine, you can cut the sheet, the coil here. And let's back to the main roll forming part. We use a stack roll forming, not the whole roll forming. And this will make sure the finished products will very good and better than other designs. Also, we use the 22 roll numbers for the whole roll forming and to give the good finished products. For the middle panel, we use the 20 millimeter, and maybe some others only use the 15 or 16. We use the 20 millimeter. It's very powerful design. And you can see for our shaft, the diameter of the shaft, we can chill the 80 millimeter for the shaft. This is the shaft. Also for the roller, the material, this is the roller. For the material, we use the number 45 trimmed plating for the material of the rollers. So all the rollers and the shafts are very clean and smooth, won't scratch the surface too. Okay. 然后咱们去前面再讲一下切刀那一块，然后讲一下这块还有那一块。Okay, you can see for this part is the part is to waste materials, collect the waste materials. You know, the coil maybe sometimes is more wide than you want. So here under the sheet, under the roller, we will set a cutting and cut the different widths for the sheet, and the waste material will rolling here. So this is the part, very user friendly design. And for the cutting system, 要停一下吧。在这边还好一点吧，对吗？那可以吧。And you can see for our sharing part, and here we use the 3 pieces sharing, and this will make sure won't change the shape for the finished products. This is a very good design too. And you can see there is a very special design for our machine, for this machine. And after cutting, there also have another rollers here. Why we set this one? Because you can see for this profile, for this side, we have a small angle here. If we set this roller under and before the cutting, and this will change the shape. But if we set it after the rollers, and this will make sure you have a this angle and can connect this piece from that side to this side. Also, this side rollers is for this angle. So this is a good design for this machine, for the Australia style rolling shutter machine.